Aerotight nuts are a premium brand of locking nut that boasts a reputation for quality and reliability. And as their name suggests, this nut was built specifically to provide a tight fastening. They feature an innovative self-locking mechanism, which is designed to be effective even when the nut isn't fully tightened. They're also known for sharing many of the same benefits as a standard metal locking nut, but have the distinct advantage of being reusable without requiring special tooling to install or remove them. Thanks to their design, Aerotight nuts can even be used in temperatures of up to 300 degrees Celsius and are unaffected by oil, meaning they're suitable for use in a number of industries, such as food and agriculture, as well as in chemical and aerospace applications. So, if you've got any tips on using locking nuts, leave a comment below to let us know. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like and share it. You can also follow us on social media or subscribe to the YouTube channel, remembering to click the bell to stay notified for more tutorials and announcements. Thank you for watching and have a great day. And let us know, what can you build?